Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. This is a World Coin Hunt and it's been designated World Coin Hunt number 31. First coin we have for you is an Italian 5 cent from 1922. On the front here we have Vittorio Emanuele III. You have the country name, and then on the reverse we have a wheat here, the 5 cent, and the year. This 1922 coin has a mintage of 42,914,000. Next coin is from Denmark, and on this side we have the Danish crown, the country and the year. It's from 1991, it's 25 oars, and it is from the reign of Marguerite II. On the reverse we have the heart above, which is a mint mark, which is above the value of 25 ore, and the value and the mintage for this 25 ore coin from Denmark is 102,162,000. Third coin is from Costa Rica. On this one we have the year, the coat of arms and the country name. It's a 50 colons coin from 2015 and there is a value and there's a laurel around it. This 2015 coin has a mintage of 20 million. Let's try and get the right coin. It's this one. Oops. No, it isn't. It's this one. Ugh. You useless, Steve. We have the header series. It's a Belgian coin. It's a 5 franc coin from 1972. So we have the header series on here, we have the cornucopia on this right hand side, and we have the year. And then on the reverse we have the country name, the crowned oak leaf stem, and the value of 5 franc either side of the oak leaf stem. The mintage is 17,500,000. The next one is from Russia, and it's got St. George and the Dragon plus a year. This is a 10 kopek coin from 2007. On the reverse we have the value plus the flowering vine. There are no mintage figures for this coin. Here we have two 5 centime coins from France. One is from the year 1992 and the other one is 1980. On the obverse we have Marianne and the country name, and then on the reverse we have the value, the year, the olive stem and the wheat ear. The mintage for the 1992 coin is 179,976,011. For the 1980 coin it's 180,010,011. So 2 coins there. Then on the next coin is that right? Yep. It's a Polish coin. There we have the crowned eagle of Poland. Excuse me, the year and the country name. On the reverse we have the value and we have 2 oak leaves representing the value. this coin has a mintage from this coin from 2003 has a mintage of 80 million. We then have a one gross coin from Poland. Again, you have the crowned eagle on this side, and then on the reverse you have one gross with the one oak leaf. And the mintage for this 2018 coin is 435,840,000. Next coin is this one here. This is a Lithuania coin, and it is 10 centu. It's from 1997. On this side you have a knight on horseback. On the reverse side you have the value of the coin plus a background design. This Lithuanian coin has no mintage figures. I've got to find this damn coin again now. Where is it? Come here. Oh, there we go. That's a 10 bunny coin. Where's the Hungarian coin for 2 forints? Okay, we'll just get on with the moment. I can't find the 2 forint coin that I'm supposed to have next. So the next one after that is a Malaysian sen, 20 sen. Is it that one? Oh, here we go, 2 forints. Couldn't find it, and now we have 2 forint coin. This 2 forint coin is from 2007, and it has the value on this side, and then on the other side we have a flower plus the year and the country name, and the flower is a Hungarian crocus. The mintage for this coin is 82,013,010. Yay! Malaysian 20 sen. Where's that gone? There we go. A Malaysian 20 sen coin. On this side we have the teapack, we have the container, the value of 20 sen, the year, the country name, and the hibiscus flower. On the reverse we have a teapack Siriri, that's T-E-P-A-K and then S-I-R-I-H, which is a Kapua metal container. There are no mintage figures for this coin. Namibian 10 cent. Where are we? That's 5 cents. Is that 10 cent now? There we go. This coin is from Namibia. It is a 10 cent coin from 1996. On this side we have the coat of arms and the year. On the reverse we also have the year, the value, and the camel thorn tree. Got the right way up? Oh, it's that way. I apologise, it's that way. It's the camel thorn tree. There are no mintage figures for this coin available. Next one we have 1 drachma, which I believe is this coin here. The gentleman is Constantine Kanas, and it's a Greek admiral. So it's Constantine, and then it's K-A-N-A-R-S. He's a Greek admiral. He lived between 1793 and 1877. On the reverse we have a ship, and underneath the ship is a value. The ship is a corvette type ship. The mintage for this 1978 coin is 21,200,000. 10 centimes for France. Here we go. Marianne on the front with the from France with the French country name. We also have the year is 1969, and on the reverse we have the 10 centimes with the usual wheat ear and olive stem. This 1969 coin has a mintage of 129,536,050. 10 Barney from Frank. Here we go. This is a Romanian coin. You have the Romanian coat of arms, the country name and the year. It's a 2016 coin, and it has the value of 10 Barney. There are no mintage figures for this coin. And this is the next one. Yes, it is. We have here the emblem of the eagle for Russia. It is the double-headed eagle, and it's also the one for the Russian bank uses it as their emblem. It is a 1 ruble coin from 2007. On the reverse you have the value. There are no mintage for these particular coins. We have a Belgian 1 franc next. Whoops, let's get it the right way up. Is that the right way? Yes, there we go. We have a portrait of Baudouin I on this side. It's a 1989 coin. It's a 1 franc coin from Belgium. This, and on this side you have the country, the value and the crown. You have this 1989 coin has a mintage of 200,060,000. This coin is a Namibia coin. It's 5 cents from 1994. On this side you have the coat of arms and the year. And on the reverse you have the value and a tree, which is a Mapai Alec Aloe tree, and that's M-A-P-A-N-E, and Aloe is A-L-O-E. There are no mintage figures for this coin. And the final coin of this hunt is a Swedish coin. Whoops. On this side we have a crowned monogram, and the year and the monogram is King Gustav Adolf the Sixth. It's from 1973, and on the reverse we have the value of 25 all and the country name. The mintage for this 1973 coin is 76,993,000. That ends this hunt. I've bagged them up all ready for me to put into flips and into my collection. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have not yet joined and you believe I deserve it, could you also please subscribe to the channel? I am trying to get to 250 by the 31st of December 2023. I'm about 100 and I'm about 56 short of that at this moment in time. So your help is needed, and if you believe I deserve it, please would you subscribe. I do a minimum 4, possibly 5 videos a week, or it has been 5 videos a week just recently. You should find something that you enjoy watching from those 5 videos. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you and bye-bye. Ta-ra now.